Good morning, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. I am back at the Vineland Orlando Premium Outlets. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys back to the Disney Character Warehouse. And if you guys don't know what the Disney Character Warehouse is, it's basically a store here at the outlets where Disney will send their old merchandise here at a very discounted price. So you can really find some great deals. I mean, every time I come here, I find so much good Disney merchandise from the theme parks at a super cheap price. But before we go do some shopping together, I do want to talk about something big that has happened in our lives. Me and Bianca got the amazing opportunity to go get vaccinated the other day. Now, I know everybody has opinions on it, and I'm just letting you guys know my story around the vaccine. I've been trying to get vaccinated for weeks now. I would just drive to Publix, CVS, Walgreens, and I would just ask, do you have any extra doses? Because if you get there towards the end of the day, if the site has any extra vaccines, they cannot throw the vaccine away. They have to use it. So a lot of people have been showing up towards the end of the day before they close to ask if they have any extra vaccines. And I've been trying to do this for about 2 weeks now, and the other day we got very lucky. A little over a week ago, I was driving and I had my radio on and I heard FEMA is in town working with Valencia College, which is a community college down the road, and I believe they are doing 3,000 to 4,000 doses a day. So I decided to go down there, and guys, I just got very lucky. I was at the right place at the right time, and they had extra doses. So we were able to get vaccinated. We got the Pfizer vaccine, which that's kind of the one I wanted. I really wanted the Johnson & Johnson one because it is a one shot. And again, I know we all have our opinions. I'm just, again, telling you my story. The moment I got vaccinated, I just felt so much relief. Now, I know we still have to do our, physical distancing and wearing a mask, washing our hands, and still do the CDC guidelines. And that's what I've been doing this entire time, and that's what I will still continue to do. But just knowing I'm vaccinated, because you guys know I'm around a lot of people going to theme parks, and sometimes a lot of people don't keep their distance. And now that I have some, protection with the vaccine, I just feel way better. It just is what it is. If you can, go get vaccinated. And if you can't, just go. Be prepared to be told no. We don't have any. But, I've been doing this for about 2 weeks, and the other day, I got very lucky. I also just want to read to you guys just a few things from the CDC website about the Pfizer vaccine. After you get your second dose, they are saying the vaccine can offer you 95% protection against COVID-19. Also, with just one shot of the Pfizer vaccine, they are saying you are just about up to 85% protected with the one shot. And then when you get the second shot, you get 95%. So all in all, I'm very happy about this. Yeah, that was my little story time with Dev. Let's go do some shopping. I hope you guys are ready, because I am. Let's go do this. It is still the peak of spring break, and look at the line for the Nike store. I do have to bring back my suitcase here because it ripped. I bought this for our Tennessee trip, and the reason why I like shopping with Samsonite for my luggage is because they offer a really good warranty for rips and tears. So I'm going to bring it back, and either they're going to fix it or I'll get a new one. All right, we made it for our first stop. We have to get our name down on the list for a return time. It does look like they have increased capacity just a little bit, but I'm already seeing a lot of good stuff inside. Okay, I did put my name and phone number down. It is about a 2 hour and 20-minute wait, so I may have to come back. But first, I gotta get my luggage taken care of. Just like that, it's all done. All I did was pay $15. In about 2 weeks, I'll have a brand new suitcase or a repaired suitcase. I made it back to the car. I think I'm going to head over to Disney Springs to kill some time, because again, I have about 2 hours to kill. and then I'll make my way back over here. I wanted to show you guys one of the new archways here off Hotel Plaza heading to Disney Springs. There's Minnie and then Mickey, all ready for the 50th anniversary. I usually park in the orange garage, but the last few times I've been here, it has been so crowded. Oh yeah, it's way less crowded in the lime garage. Good call, Dev. My first stop is here at Amorette's because they have a brand new Falcon and Winter Soldier Petit cake. Here it is for $20. You have the Falcon and the Winter Soldier Petit, chocolate chiffon cake, dark chocolate mousse, raspberry, something de fruit, raspberry mousse, white chocolate, crisp pearls. They look really good. And for St. Patrick's Day, they have pot au gold cream puff. Dang, that looks really good for $9. Oh man, it is really busy. All of my secret hidden tables were taken today. So I walked around a little bit more. I found a table outside, away from people, near the Rainforest Cafe. This looks very cool. I cannot wait to try it. Did you guys watch the new Disney Plus series yet? I did. I kind of liked it. I think I like WandaVision better, but you know, we have more episodes to come. I'm sure it will be very exciting. All right, let's try it. Check out the goodness inside of the Petit cake. For my food review of this Petit cake from Amorette's, it was delicious. Everything I always get from Amorette's, it's always so delicious. And they use different flavors in their cakes or their pastries or desserts. And that's one thing I've always appreciated about Amorette's. Like this one, I have really never been a raspberry guy. I just really never liked the flavor, but it worked really well with the chocolate cake and the mousse, and then it had white chocolate crispy pearls inside, and it just worked really good. I highly recommend. I guess the only gripe I would have about this, there's just a lot of icing or fondant. Way too much, but once you get inside of the cake, it's really, really good. Now passing Marketplace Snacks, and look what is back. The Mrs. Incredible float for $9.99. I want it, but I am a little full from that petite cake. Decisions. Before I head inside the world of Disney, I want to stop here at Basin. They have bath bomb Easter eggs. 3 for $15 or $5.99 each. I may get one of those. There's also a spaceship and a alien. We come in peace. I may get that one. That one is pretty cool. Oh, nice. Here at Basin, they have a new line, B for him. For us guys out there, there's some rock body deodorant, some shave cream, some bath bombs, and some soap. They have a villain bath bomb with Maleficent. Also a Mickey bath bomb with Mickey on there. I got what I needed to get. Next up, the world of Disney. Oh man, the standby line is a 30-minute wait. I have some more time to kill. I guess let's see how long it takes us to enter the world of Disney. It looks like we are going all the way backstage. Well, it doesn't seem that bad. I have been in line for almost 6 minutes. I got in line and it said 30. I am about to enter the world of Disney. It is always so cool when I'm here at Disney and cast members will come up and tell me they appreciate me for making my videos, and some execs just stopped me and told me they watched the channel, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you to the cast members for making the magic. Okay, just about 8 minutes on the dot. Here we are. I made it in, and I really like this grape soda t-shirt for $24.99. I found some new Falcon and the Winter Soldier merch. Here is a t-shirt for $36.99, some socks, and a woman's t-shirt with that fun material on there, also $36.99. They are now selling a Pizza Planet baseball jersey. I have this one, but I may need to get this one for $26.99 with Easter just around the corner. we have a Mickey Easter plush. I know some of you guys have been asking me, Dev, are the Mickey graduation hats out? Yes, they are. For $27.99, here you are, class of 2021. I have finally found the new Starbucks cup with the new design on there. I like it a lot. They have a Starbucks Disney bag. Look at that, for $29.99, as well as the spring Starbucks coffee cup mugs and all the spring colors. Check out these new Mickey balloon headbands. They light up. One balloon says Disneyland and the other says Walt Disney World. These are $32.86. That is a odd price, but they have plenty in stock. Well, I'm confused because up here it says $29.99. Huh. I just left the World of Disney. I found a lot of new items. I did do some shopping, but it is getting kind of too busy for me, so I'm going to go ahead and head back over to the Disney Character Warehouse. I am back at the outlets. I have yet to receive my text. I checked in right around 11 a.m. and the time now is just about 3 o'clock p.m. So it's well over 3 hours. I'm just going to swing by, see what the holdup is, and if it's just too backed up, I'm gonna call it a fill. If not, we'll do some more shopping. But I will say it is extremely busy. I have never seen this outlet mall this packed. I had to drive around the parking lot to find a parking spot, and I finally found one, but let's go see what the situation is. I stopped inside of Adidas to get myself some new clothes, but that line is intense. Here's a closer look at some of that construction, but here we are. The line has calmed down a little bit. It doesn't seem as busy in this area as earlier in the day, but I mean, look at this. It is extremely busy. Okay, let me go try to get some more information. Okay, this is what I found out. The Character Warehouse is about an hour and a half behind. I just spoke with a few cast members and they said they are just extremely busy, which I completely understand. So I'm going to probably call this a Disney Character Warehouse fill during spring break. But she said I would have to wait another hour and a half. There's still about 42 people ahead of me. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home and call this a fill, and we'll be back next time. However, I would recommend either get here first thing in the morning or during a non-peak spring break or summer or holiday time. All right, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and leave the mall here. However, I'm going to end the video back in our hotel room at Disney Saratoga Springs. So we will end the video back in the room. I really enjoyed myself today. We got to walk around the mall here. We got to head down to Disney Springs and check out those spring break crowds. We did some shopping. I got to try the new Winter Soldier Petit cake, Falcon and the Winter Soldier. I'm still getting used to that name. I really miss WandaVision, but I had a very good day. Also, one last thing about the vaccine, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link from the CDC website. That way you guys can see where you're from and also the guidelines to get yourself and your family vaccinated. So I'll leave that link down in the description. We have made it back to our beautiful DVC Deluxe Studio room here at Disney Saratoga Springs Resort, which I highly recommend. I love the location, I love the theming, and I love the beauty of this resort. We are staying in a newer room, or a refurbished room. Like, you can still smell the fresh coat of paint on the walls. We are staying in building 80, which is right by the golf course. So again, great location. We are staying in the grandstand area of this resort. I love it so far. It's away from the main buildings, like the gift shop and check-in. Like I said, it's by the golf course, but you're also by the front entrance and the exit. It's just very quiet over here. Let me show you the room. I do want to say a massive thank you to Kai and her grandmother for emailing me. They did have some extra DVC points they could not use this year, so they wanted me to have it to make a great video, and here we are. We are staying in room number 8236. Okay, I'm not really going to do a full tour of this room because it's pretty standard, but I wanted to show this because this room has changed. So you do have half of your bathroom here with your mirror. Right here, you would think it would be a bathroom, but it's not. It is your closet. Then over here, that is your front door. You come in here, here is your other half of your bathroom. You have your mini kitchen here, refrigerator, coffee maker, microwave, and then here you are, the main bedroom. You have a really nice queen size bed. Again, I love these rooms because you can put your suitcases under the bed to keep those out of the way. More great theming. I love the colors in here. It makes me feel homey, like I'm home. You do have plenty of USB outlets. You have a bench here, trash can, more USBs, a very nice sized TV, another couch. But another thing that I love about this room, you pull this down. After you pull it completely down, your couch is now a nice full-size bed. Look at that. So cool and so neat. And then you can push it back up and it will turn right back into a couch. It is now back to being a couch. Also, they have a very nice fan up top. And then let me show you the balcony. I have made it outside on our balcony. You have 2 chairs, a little table, and look at this view. We are right by, I believe this is a leisure pool. You have a little splash pad area for the little ones right here, a bigger pool right here, plenty of lounge chairs. You have a few picnic tables and a grill right here, and you do have a bus stop right over here in that direction. Very nice. All right, we are going to go ahead and call it an early evening. That way we can enjoy the beauty of this room and take in the beauty of this resort and just hang out and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me